Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to set up VPN on any Poco phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app. Now from here, scroll down and tap on more connectivity options. Now from here, just tap on VPN. Now from here, just tap on add VPN. Now from here in the name section, you can add any name you like. You can even add your own name. Now to get the server address, we have to go to the VPN Gate website. Now to do that, just go to your home screen. Now from here, just open your web browser. Now from here, just search VPN Gate. Now from here, just open the VPN Gate website. Now from here, if you zoom in, you can find the server address. Now from here, just select the server address with the least ping. Now to do that, just scroll down. Now as you can see, the ping on this server is 8 ms, which is pretty good. Just copy the server address, just like that. Now from here, tap on copy. Now from here, just go back to the settings app. Now from here, tap on server address. Now from here, just paste the server address we just copied. Now since we are using a Japan server, I will name this VPN Japan VPN. Just like that. Now from here, scroll down and tap on IPsec identifier. Now from here, just type VPN. Now once you have done that, scroll down until you find the username and the password. Now to get the username and the password, just go back to the Chrome web browser. Now from here, just zoom out. Now from here, if you zoom in, you can find the username and the password. Now as you can see, the username and the password are VPN with small letters. Now just go back to the settings app and type VPN in small letters in the username and in the password. Just like that. Now once you have done that, just tap on done. Now as you can see, this is how you can set up your own VPN. Now if you want to delete the VPN we just created, just tap on the arrow icon at the right side of the VPN. Now to delete the VPN we just created, just tap on the arrow icon at the right side of the VPN name. Now from here, scroll down and tap on delete profile. Now from here, just tap on done. Now as you can see, this is how you can set up VPN on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.